Namaste. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Yang Brahma Varunendra Ruddhamurtastannanti Divyastavair Vedari Shangapadakramupaniषadair Gayanti Yang Samaga Dhanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yang Yogina Yashyantang Navidushrasragana Deva Tasmai Namaha. I would like to, everybody join with me. Vande Mataram. More loudly, this message have to go all over the world. Vande Mataram. Very good. Another right. Vande Mataram. Now we have to say joy. Satya Sanatana Vaidik Arya Hindu Dharma ki. Satya Sanatana Vaidik Arya Hindu Dharma ki. Satya Sanatana Vaidik Arya Hindu Dharma ki. Bharat Mata ki. Ganga Mata ki. Gau Mata ki. Dhanyavad. उपस्थित माननीय विद्वान और महानुभाव संत महात्मागण और भाइयों और बहनों, I would like to my little talk about our organization from Bharat Sevasrama Sangha. Acharya Swami Pranananda ji, he is a founder of this wonderful organization. His motto was the service to mankind, worship to God. तो सेवा ही धर्म, सेवा करो और आत्म कल्याण करो, जगत कल्याण करो. Acharya started his spiritual career definitely with a nation building program backed by divine inspiration and power. Even since 1916, he proceeded with his task step by step, first by building up under the special guidance and inspiration the life of young sannyasis who had dedicated their lives to this great cause, then by coordinating all the elements and incorporating them into a powerful unitary force of the Sangha, and finally by unfolding and transmitting this spiritual force in successive stage of constructive activities of the chose, conformity with the growing life of the nation and its requirement. He was for building up a powerful Hindu nation on a spiritual vitalism, and it was his creed, and such a nation alone could make it spiritual message heard among the nation of the earth. Here is the universal aspect of this spiritual program, and the work of the Sangha has been first developing on this laid down this hymn. Thus, through all his written record, life building, Sangha building, and nation building is successive stage receive greater emphasis and is dwell with the fuller detail with the growth of the Sangha and its activities. He used to think that way, where there is a strength indeed is salvation. O Hindu, have you totally forgotten that you are a worshipper and devotees of the cosmic power? Behold them, God and goddesses, the presiding deities of the strength and energy, whom you are worshipping and meditating on how well equipped with the weapons they are. Tell me, does not that fact ever inspire consciousness of the supreme cosmic strength in you? If not, it follow all that your worship follows that all your worship and your devotion have been proceeding on wrong lines. Your gods and goddesses, the presiding divinities of the fruits of sandal paste and tulsi leaf, the weapons with which are deities of your adoration and adorn, and the high materials, the power use of the which can attract and win their divine grace. This is the only unerring means for the attainment of the great blessings on this critical junction. If a child of the Sangha can be true to the spirit of the Sangha, and if he call fire to be water, then verily shall it be so. In whichever direction he may turn, neither shall his course be unified, for there is a such sin, temptation, illusion, and delusion that can touch even tip of his hair so long as Sangha child remain identified the spirit with the Sangha Lord. This idea should be regained within. Verily, I am a child of the great direction of the, I live up with this command and instruction. I shall indeed score success whether I am go and whether I may be deputed to. What cannot be attained through processes of the rites of rituals and sacrifice. My Guruji used to say us, Hindu, you have everything. You have a strength, you have a knowledge, you have a wealth, but only deficiency is there, unity. We need unity, unity, unity. So how we can make united ourselves, whoever, wherever work, but we need among ourselves unity. So this is the platform the Sangha and this Hindu conference doing. Together we will go forward, and together we will do each other help. Each other, sometimes our deficiency is that we are criticizing each other, but not criticizing, but you have to go togetherly, help each other and go forward. And my Guruji used to say, look, goat and tiger will not togetherly can go. Togetherly when tiger will eat goat. So this way our community, if we make ourselves strong like a lion, then lion and lion, tiger and tiger can togetherly can go. No harmful anything. But if goat not united alone, he is living then the dangerous spot. For this reason, I would like to say in this occasion that we need ourselves among all the organization, all the Hindus togetherly how we can go forward. We know before all the rishis munis, they used to run our school and college or education institution. But now government controlling all. So how you can teach our religion, how you teach our culture. For this reason, we need to open the school and influence the government how we can spread the message of our Indian culture, how we message our Vedas, our Upanishads. It is for all secular. It is nothing. It is for mankind. Our religion teaching, our Adi Acharya, Maharshi Mahavati Manu, teaching 10 quality of the Hindus, that is a humanity, the Dhritik Shama Dhamma Astyang Shaucha Indra Nigraha Trividya Shuttama Krodha Dashakang Dharma Lakshanam. We have to develop this quality. How we can teach our children? We need to open the schools and help them, united our young generation. After independence of India, this is deficiency. We have to start our religious study. Religious study means not any ism. We don't believe that Hinduism, Muslimism, Christianism. We need one ism, that is the humanism. Humanity we have to develop. So what is the humanity? Humanity is that ahimsa, sattva, brahmacharya, asteya, aparigraha. Ahimsa, sattva, asteya, aparigraha. Shaucha, shanta, swadhyaya, tapa, ishtar, pranidhan. this quality we have to develop among ourselves. There is no Hindu, Muslim or Christian, anything. We need to develop that quality. How we can develop? Through the education, it is possible. So we need more school open, how we can teach our children, how we teach our people. And another thing we saw in our life, we need dharma, artha, kama, moksha. This four, chaturvarga we want to learn and we have to get it. So how we can get? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. All the experienced person who has a lot of experience, education and spirituality, everything, but they are not coming out from the home. For this is, you have to come out the home and work for the community and help each other. And thank you very much. And all the Mahatma, all the dignitaries, all the respectful, are giving thanks to organize this program and invite everybody. And thank you very much. Again, Vande Mataram. और थोड़ा जोर वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सनातन सत्य धर्म की सत्य सनातन वैदिक आर्य हिंदू धर्म की भारत माता की वंदे मातरम। धन्यवाद।